Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two mini drones, the Holy Stone Mini Drone and the Mini Drone. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top in different categories. First up, let's talk about the price. The Holy Stone Mini Drone is priced at just $49, while the Mini Drone comes in at $69. It's clear that the Holy Stone Mini Drone is the more affordable option here. Now let's take a look at the features. The Holy Stone Mini Drone offers a range of fun flight options like toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. It also has an altitude hold function, making it user-friendly and perfect for kids and beginners. On the other hand, the Mini Drone boasts a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera that allows you to capture stunning aerial photos and videos. It also has a one-key start landing button and multiple speed modes, making it a great choice for kids. Flight time is an important factor to consider when choosing a mini drone. The Holy Stone Mini Drone includes 3 batteries, giving you a total flight time of up to 21 minutes. This means you won't have to worry about running out of power during your flying sessions. Similarly, the Mini Drone comes with 2 rechargeable batteries that provide a flight time of 18 to 21 minutes. With both options offering excellent flight time, you can enjoy extended playtime without interruptions. Safety is always a top priority, especially when it comes to drones. The Holy Stone Mini Drone features propellers isolated by a protection guard, ensuring the safety of both kids and the drone itself. No crying toddlers or damaged drones here. The Mini Drone also prioritizes safety with features like low power alarm, emergency stop, and 4 propeller guards. These safety measures provide peace of mind while flying. Lastly, let's explore some additional functions. The Holy Stone Mini Drone is mini and portable, making it easy to carry around for parties, hiking trips, or any outdoor adventure. It also has a low battery power alarm, so you'll never have to worry about losing or damaging your drone due to low power. The Mini Drone offers multiple fun flight modes, including impressive 3D flips and the ability to draw a unique flight path on your smartphone. It even has voice gesture control, allowing you to take photos or videos with simple voice commands. Based on online reviews, customers have praised the Holy Stone Mini Drone for being an ideal gift for kids and beginners. It is easy to operate and offers features like auto hovering, 3D flips, and headless mode. With 3 batteries included, it provides endless entertainment. On the other hand, the Mini Drone is popular among young drone enthusiasts. It is easy to control and has a 1080p HD live video camera, allowing kids to enjoy flying it and capture amazing aerial views. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Holy Stone Mini Drone and the Mini Drone. While the Holy Stone Mini Drone excels in affordability, user-friendliness, and flight time, the Mini Drone stands out with its HD camera and additional flight modes. Remember, it's essential to consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing a mini drone. We hope this comparison has helped you make a well-informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.